Today was really nice, but it depends on where you are, because if you're in Comanche, you're sitting at 70 degrees. But if you're in Paris in northeast North Texas, you're sitting at 39 degrees. So it is really a big difference across the region. Fort Worth, though, it is a nice warm up. 64 degrees in Fort Worth. Live look out over Sundance Square. I was out there for the tree lighting yesterday evening, and it was much cooler yesterday. We've got weather whiplash ongoing as we get through the next few days. Here's a look at current temps across our four major cities. McKinney at 53 degrees. We've got 62 in Denton, 64 in Fort Worth, and just 58 in Dallas. The farther east you get, the more cloud coverage we have, and the greater the chance that your winds are pumping in out of the east versus us here in Fort Worth, where our winds are out of the south. Notice we do have more cloud coverage, and it is low cloud coverage out over Dallas, and that is why those temperatures are a little bit cooler the farther east you get. As we get through the next few hours this evening, 7 o'clock, expect temps in the middle 50s. We dip back close to the lower 50s by 9 o'clock tonight. Now let's talk the next couple of days, because there's been all sorts of buzz all over. I've heard it several times today about the chances for wintry precipitation in North Texas tomorrow. And let me set the record straight here. It's not happening for us tomorrow. We are looking at temperatures in the low 40s most of your Thursday. In fact, we'll just plateau there. We'll hit our high temperature at midnight tonight, and then temps will just remain steady in the low to middle 40s most of your Thursday. So no wintry precipitation for tomorrow. It will be a cold rain, though. We'll have some spotty showers, a little bit of a drizzle at times. And then we have a great weekend setting up for any outdoor plans. We do start to warm up by Friday. Highs by that point head back to the lower 50s, which is still below average, but it will be warmer. Now let's take a look at those current temps across the rest of North Texas. That big difference, 39 degrees right now in Paris, 45 in Tyler. Breckenridge, though, at 60 degrees, 62 for Bridgeport, and 67 for Mineral Wells. So it is the tale of two sides of North Texas this afternoon. Let's take a look at Futurecast, and what you'll notice here, places like the Panhandle, Amarillo, looking at a winter weather watch up in the purple that you see there. That's as some snow does move through the Texas Panhandle. Temperatures are colder there, and they're looking at totals as much as 2 to 4 inches of snow. But notice as it heads through North Texas, it is all rain, spotty showers as we get through our Thursday afternoon. By tomorrow evening, this all exits off to our south, but we will be cold with temperatures sticking in the 40s most of the day. Now our morning temperatures. Friday morning is a chilly one, with temperatures sinking back close to freezing for a lot of the region. Once again, that is Friday morning. Those morning lows head back to the low 40s this weekend. And then Monday morning, another cold front brings another freezing morning. So plan for that as we get toward that point. I want to give you a look at that full 7-day forecast, because again, it is up and down for much of the 7-day period. As we get toward the end of it, though, things do start to shape up. Friday, Saturday, expect some cloud coverage around. Low 50s for your Friday, low 60s on Saturday. By Sunday, temperatures dip back to the middle 50s. Again, a great weekend for outdoor plans. We've got a nice stretch of sunshine as we get into the start of the next week, guys.